What are you doing? What are you doing?
My candy.
What are you doing with the candies? Here are all the candies. What's in this bucket over here, buddy? What did you do here?
Candy.
Oh, you moved all the boxes out of the candy pile? Why'd you do that, buddy?
Upsy. Upsy. Upsy.
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
Cup. Up.
Hey, silly, what are you doing?
Thank you.
Can you show Mommy how we tap our toes? Tap, tap, tap. Can you tell the camera, love you?
Love you.
Love you.
Love you, Mommy.
Alright, can you pick up the candies, please? We don't want them to get smushed. Can you pick them up and put them in your bucket? Oh, where's that one go? You gonna put the candies away?
Puppet. This is candy. Cup. Yeah.
What's it we leave on the floor? Are you going to pick up all the other candies? Are you going to pick up all the other candies, buddy?
Candy.
Can you pick them all up and put them all in the basket?
Yeah, I can. Yeah,
All the Kit Kats go in this bucket. Okay, buddy. I love you.
Love you.
You gonna finish putting away the candy? It's only a little bit left.
Up.
Do you put away the candy?
Up.
Is that a flatbed truck?
Up. Let's cook. Up. 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 Cook.